know, since I've really never had a really big circle of friends.
Hi. Morning. Yeah, well, I can't read that.
Sorry.
It looks like, I don't know what it is.
And then tax, $645 for basic insurance.
Yeah, that's the
And this is the additional insurance that we bought.
คนไกลๆเดินบนเลย ไม่เมาไม่เลิกเลยสีสวยสีสวยมาก
Good morning, everybody. Paige, Chuck here at home still in ThatPhanom. We've got a few more days before we head out to start doing travel videos again. Pretty excited about that. Not a whole lot going on around here. Basically, I'm just going to go play some golf, I think, for the next few days, since I'm not going to be playing golf for quite some time after this when we leave. But yeah, don't know if I'm going to make a video today or what the video is going to be about. I guess I'll bring you guys along. I know the videos of the golfing stuff is most of my viewers, I think, don't like it. Most of my viewers don't leave comments too, I know, but I can tell by the amount of people that watch the videos if I have any kind of golf content in it. So we're only going to be gone to Koh Chang. Maybe a lot of times when we travel, we're gone for a couple of weeks. I think this trip may be only like 10 days at the most. So then come back, and then my mother-in-law and the gang want to go to Galison. Galison has a really big lake, and they have these little rafts. Well, like a big, wooden houseboat. They pull you out to the water and kind of let you float around, and they bring food back and forth. We did it once a long time ago. Anyway, our friend Lucy and Matthew will probably come with us on that. Yeah, then make another some kind of subscriber type meetup thing, maybe shortly after that. It's a nice looking bananas. My mother-in-law and father-in-law are coming back from Pak Chong today. They're actually probably left really early this morning to go do that. Got my tools somewhat organized. I still have some more organizations to do. I can't wait to get the garage. I know I talk about it too much probably, but this is my little section over here. I should always have it organized because it's kind of small. Now I've kind of got this as a little kitchen stuff. But this whole area from this post to that post is going to be like a washroom, storage.
to cut it.
Will these? Oh, you like something like a tool? I have tools. They're sharp. Yeah, this is going to be from here to here is going to be like a little apartment. Then that area all the way there is going to be the garage. It's going to be super cool. Of course, we got to redo the roof and put a suspended ceiling in it. I want to keep this in the garage, this rail. He's got a hoist. I don't know, maybe in the future we'll build something. Maybe, I don't know. Still got some issues with building things at the moment. But yeah. That work?
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, that's what's happening today. Good morning. Need some help? Well, Paige wanted pancakes. I think I made too many. Mixed up too much. A little fluffy today. Hi, babe. Gonna go NakhonPhanom. I gave Calgum a treat. I guess she's storing it for later.
What is that?
one of those little jerky things, I think. Or a doo-doo, I don't know.
What's that?
Huh? Yeah, it's beef jerky. Give me a tissue. Alright. You know, since I've really never had a really big circle of friends. Most of my life has just been involved in my career, making money, surrounding myself around people, you know, that are in the same field as me, around people that would benefit me, I guess. And I've never really been too much of a social butterfly, I guess you could say. And my circle of friends now are very small. The one main friend I have is Paige. And, you know, we definitely don't agree on a lot of things. But, you know, that's okay. I think it's weird when people say, I don't agree with you. But, okay, well, that's, you know, I don't expect that all of your friends or family members agree with you too. You know, it's okay. It's okay. But right now, my circle of friends is kind of small. I think it's just other people like-minded like me that just want to enjoy the moment, I guess you could say. Just enjoy life, not think too much, and just whatever happens, happens. My friends have different, you know, thoughts about their religion, their politics, a few things. I don't really care. I'm pretty easy about whatever, as long as you're not pushing it on me. I don't care. You can be whatever the hell you want as long as it's not affecting anybody in a negative way, you know? Nobody really cares. So, but anyway, my circle is kind of small, and you know, I like to hang out with people. I like to meet new people. Sometimes when I go play golf, I'll play with other people that, hey, you want to play? Sure. I'm not like anti-social. I'm just happy with myself, and I'm happy with my relationship with my wife. She definitely lives by the moment, and I think that's what really matters in our eyes, because, you know, life is really, really, really short, you know, and eventually we're going to perish. I recently told my father, in so many words, you know, I said, you've dedicated your entire life to your career, and when you're gone forever, there's going to be a replacement for you. But when you're really gone forever, your family will not have a replacement for you. So only do what makes sense in your life. Whatever makes you happy with no regrets, I think that's what you should do, because it's going to come to an end, you know. The cycle won't last forever. We will cycle out soon. That being said, enough blah, blah, blah. I just wanted to tell you basically about, you know, my thoughts, my circle of friends. Just don't always expect people to think like you do, because your circle of friends are going to be very, very small. Maybe only on the internet, but in reality, it's probably not going to happen. Well, not a good game of golf. Actually, it's good, I guess, because I walked, let me see, 13,000 steps. I guess that was good. I played with a big group of people the first 9, and then by myself, so I didn't do good. I shot a 58 on the first 9 and a 56 on the second, so whatever. I had a couple of pars, but that's some really bad shots. Anyway, let's go get Mom. She's at Big C right now. Her glasses are ready to be picked up, so let's go do that. Well, everybody say hi to Mom.
Hi.
We're gonna go get your glasses. That was fast, huh?
That was real fast. I wasn't expecting it until the end of the week.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, that's good. I'm excited about them. I want to get my I want to wait and, you know, check them out before I order another pair.
Okay.
Is that all right? But I would like to take the bigger glasses, the ones that I paid $500 for, and see if he can tell me what the prescription is for that. they seem to know what they're doing, so it probably wouldn't take but a few minutes, right?
Yeah. Okay, this would be a really cool truck if they had a Dukes of Hazzard, like a General Lee. I said this would be cool if they had like a General Lee decals on it, like
Yeah.
Dukes of Hazzard. All right. Okay, can you see me?
I can see you perfect.
Really? That's good.
For reading only.
Yeah, well, I can't read that.
Sorry.
It
Thailand.
looks like, I don't know
Let me
what
see.
it is.
Yes.
I can see that.
You can?
Yeah.
That's a good job. So can you read this?
High top. I can't read that.
สวัสดีค่ะคุณลูกค้า
เมื่อไหร่จะเป็นเบอร์ภาษาเบอร์อะไร
Say that
อันไหนเป็น
No.
ไม่ในแว่น
สวัสดีค่ะคุณลูกค้า
เพราะอ่านภาษาไทยได้
Okay, well, my mom she bought some Coach glasses for $500 US over there, but they gave her a really strong prescription. So the guy said for the same money on the lens, I think it was like 4,900 baht or something, he'd change out the lenses on those, but mom's gonna wait, make sure she likes these. She may not care about the other glasses, I don't know.
I don't think I'll ever get to where I would ever wear the other ones.
Okay.
I hope.
Yeah.
The mountains are great.
The heart is a blue, shoots up through the stony ground. There's no room.
Well, I'm back home. I'm glad Mom's glasses worked out. She's super happy about that. Birds pooped on my truck. Hey, Cowgum. Where's her collar? Where's her collar? Oh, it's there. You need a haircut. ThatPhanom. Well, every year my insurance is due, my health insurance, which is roughly about $700 to $800 depending on the exchange rate a year. And my vehicle tags, this is the tax, 640.
No, that's the government insurance.
Oh, this is?
Yeah, this is the tax.
I thought that the insurance just automatically came with this. So you have to pay extra for it?
No, the insurance is this. This is the tax.
So they give you like a little policy with that or something, or what?
Yeah, it's come with the little policy. This is for the tax.
That's,
So you have to get this in order to have this too. In order to buy this.
so you have to get this first.
Yeah.
We have a broker that does all this for me, so I don't really know. I just know I got to spend the money each year. And she also handles my insurance.
See, this is tax. For tax.
And then tax, 645 baht for basic insurance.
Yeah, that's
And
the
this is the additional insurance that we bought.
requirement insurance.
17,000 baht for the insurance that we pay extra for the year.
So the tax is depend on the car.
Uh-huh.
Some car cheaper.
Yeah,
A small, like a small.
I see. And we have to get it inspected after 5 years. You have to have a safety inspection. How much is that? 200 baht? 200 baht. You don't have to spend 18,000 baht for additional insurance if you don't want to, but I think as a foreigner, you should probably do that. but they don't. I mean, it's not always that expensive. There was just a few extra options that I wanted on my policy.
เนี่ยจะได้เงินซีมันล่ะอันนู้นละสิเศร้าขายผู้ขายมันนี่นู้นละสิยาพากันยาวว่าซั่น
So Mom get a new outfit.
อะไร
เสื้อไหม
เสื้อใหม่สวยไหม
สวย
แม่ใส่สวยเนาะ200จ้ะ
It's like more African. Africa.
ไปซื้อไปซื้อ2เที่ยว3เที่ยวก็ไม่ได้ ตัวนิดนี่
ครับ
เอามาซักแล้วไม่ได้
ครับ
ยังอ่ะ
อะไรครับ
ข้าวจี
ข้าวจีข้าวจีน้ำเย็นI mean อากาศเย็น
กาดเย็น
อากาศเย็น
กินข้าวจี
เย็นสบาย
ข้าวจี
What are you doing, man?
ข้าวจีอร่อย
จอยข้าง
ร้านทองอ่ะเด้
หนาค่ะ
งวยรู้ว่าไปเห็นคนแรกของแต่บ้านบ้านแก่ก็มีได้
อันเขาแก้วมันยางไปยางมา
แม่วันโชคจับไปเที่ยวไปเกาะช้างกับเกาะช้างจะไปกาฬสินธุ์ไหมไปกาฬสินธุ์
จะไปเกาะช้างกันสิ
คิดว่าประมาณ10 วันไม่รู้ยังไม่รู้10 วัน
ใครมาแฟนคลับมาบอก
ไม่
ใคร2 คนไม่มีแฟนคลับ
สองคน
จด
จองแล้ว
เอาชนไกลๆเลยชนเลย
ชนแก้วชนขวด
ไม่เมาไม่เลิกเลย
แก้วสีสวย
แก่ชิ้นสวย
สีสวยมาก
กันนะ
เรากินสีสวย
สีสวย
ไม่เมาไม่เลิกเลยนี่นะ
ไม่ได้ไปพ่อ
เอาแล้ว
เมา
เอามันมาบ้านก็บ้านก็กินแล้วก็เมา
Alright guys, gonna end the video. Sorry no golf today in the video. I didn't show any golf in the video today. Anyway, tomorrow I'm going to Hunnicutt. I hope you guys come with us. I'm gonna try to stop by that beef place again on the way back and get them something for our last night stay here before me and Paige go on our next trip. You ready? You ready to go?
บักอันนวล
Everything booked?
เล่นอยู่เนี่ย
Except on the way back, right?
แต่ว่าผมมีสุดนะเกิดเลือก
Alright guys, we'll see you tomorrow on the next video.
บักเล่นนี่
Bye.
คนละสไต
โบจัก
ล์
เลย
Bye bye.
ปิดเบิดนั่นแหละ
บอเล่นเจอโบจักเลย
บายบาย
มันติโบ
หยุด
มั
คุณ
น
ไหน
ติโบ
see you tomorrow
ผมนี่ผมว่ามีสุดในบ้าน
บายบายแฟนคลับ
ทุก
บ
วั
อน ก
ยั
ว่าง
บอก
see
อ
you
ยู่ว่า
tomorrow
เป็นฝรั่งแล้ว
เป็นฝรั่งแล้ว
ไม่กิน